How to check a Macy's gift card balance online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Macy's FAQs. There you'll find gift cards and then in the gift cards you can check how do I check the balance of my Macy's gift card. And after you click on it, you'll find check your gift card online. Press on click here, and after you've clicked on there, enter the 15-digit gift card number or 3 or 4-digit CID number. After you do that, you can press on check balance and you will find your gift card balance in there. In my region, it's not available, so I'm not able to click, but you can click on here and it will lead you to gift card balance check page. This is how to check a Macy's gift card balance online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for